being on the world stage, most of our players there, in fact, I wouldn't say most, pretty much all of them, it's the first time they are playing the World Cup. So the first game, is understandable that we lost, even though we would have wished for better results, a draw or a win. It's understandable because of obviously the pressure that comes with playing the opening game against the hosting nation, right? We saw the performance picking up against Chechnya. I do feel we could have won the game against Chechnya like we did today with South Korea, right? The thing is, with us, I feel we lack some sense of agency. We are not a team that wants to press, that wants to go forward to win, to score all the time. We often play relaxed football. We pass at the back, which I do not really appreciate. If we are in a situation where it's a must-win game, we should be pressing. We shouldn't be playing the ball at the back, right? But overall, yeah, we did great. This is something that Sibali said you would have, if you watched the previous episode. Sibali said that we are playing against, we are playing like Mamelodi Sundowns when they are leading 1-0. And I fully agree because we cannot be relaxing on the ball when the mandate is clear, a win or nothing.